Hello, beautiful souls. Eddie here. I wish to share with you a vision, a profound experience that I've had a few years back. And I want to share with you this again. I think this is the proper time, excellent time, as we're walking through these corridors of stress, anxiety, fear, uncertainty, pain, sorrow. The pressure is going to mount. It will continue until the point where the so-called titans are going to fight this war to the end, the good and the bad. The dark is not going to live without a fight. So we're going to climax into this event, which you already know. Some of you already know. I've spoken about it before, and are talking about it as well. There is a vision that I was given by my entourage. My entourage is the culmination, this group of support from the other side, angels, entities, God, if you will. So when the vision showed up, I burst into tears. It was beautiful. What they've shown me is Earth in a beautiful, beautiful place. And it's coming, filled with joy, happiness, health, peace, abundance. There's no war. There's no sickness. There's unity. There's compassion. There's family. There's community. There's alignment and coherence with planet Earth. Humanity is awakened. These moments today that you're going through, these pains of birth that are challenging, and as I said, it's going to make it a little bit more challenging, are necessary and needed to squeeze out, to shape you, and prepare you for what's coming. Without the stress, you're not going to see the truth. Without the oncoming and upcoming events, you will not wake up. Some have already um, gone to that point, meaning they are able to see what's going on, what's the reality at hand. The hidden reality in plain sight is no longer plain sight. It's right in your face. Those who are responsible for such atrocities on our planet for so long are going away. Light has won. Consider this as a game, and this is an analogy only. We're playing a game and we're leading by so much. The good guys are leading by so much. But there's still a few moments left for the game to end. We must continue those few minutes to complete the cycle. And those moments are in the next few months. Eddie, what is going to happen exactly? When is it going to happen? It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter because we know what's going to be the end result. So I encourage you to let go of the how and bring yourself to the awareness and knowingness that this journey is going to end in a beautiful way. We're going to have a planet that's going to be incredible. Humanity is going to be in joy. Children will be able to play in the streets safely and happily, at no danger. Mothers are safe, fathers are safe, and most important, children are safe. That joy, that future is coming. And this is my reason for this message, so that you have some hope while you're going through these challenging times in the next few days and weeks. Today is September 6th, and I'm sending you tons of love and encouragement to stay the course, to be confident in God and God's will, because we chose to stay, and it's going to be incredible. I love you. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.